Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. Our topic for today is sound. R, r, r. This sound is described as voiced alveolar retroflex. Voiced alveolar retroflex. So it's also called a liquid. Okay, so the spelling symbols representing this sound are letter R as in ring, rise, rib, prize, deprive, and so on. Next, RR as in carry, marry, tarry, worry, and so on. Next, WR. Don't forget, this W is silent, okay? So, right, wrong, wrestle, wrist, rough, wriggle, wreath, and so on. So let's look at a silent R, okay? Far, car, fat, part, work, fork, salt, farm, and so on. However, the R sound is also pronounced, always pronounced in British English when it comes before a vowel sound. Do you understand? For instance, far away, okay? You say far away for smooth pronunciation. But generally, American and Scottish accents are erotic. That is, they always pronounce the ra sound in words. For instance, they say, fur, cur, fart, part, work, fork, sort, fur, and so on. I hope you've learned a thing or two from today's class. And don't forget to follow me, watch this video from beginning to end, and learn. Okay, like, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.